situation where a prospect is not ready to close. So I said, understood. What's a good next step? Now, in your examples, they either tell you the next step or they say, I don't know. And then you say, well, what's a good next step for me? But in this case, I said, what's a good next step? And the prospect said, we don't have a need for a lighting designer for any of our projects now, but we'll certainly keep you in mind for the future.
Okay.
So how do I respond? Like, I don't want to say, what's a good next step again, because I just said that.
No, because they definitively kind of shot you down. How?
Yes.
Here's my question to you, and I have the answer, but I want to know this. How much did you talk to them before you got to that point? No right or wrong answer here. Like, did you figure out where their company's at right now? Where do they want to go? Did you have any?
No. So I'm still learning. You're still going through your program. I'm new to it. So
Fine.
I don't have all the parts and pieces yet. I just took this little, I did do the closing and the next step.
Okay. Perfect.
But I didn't do the current situation and monetization yet.
No worries. So, and where I was going with that, and you'll pick all this up, but where I was going with that, what type of company was it, Ben?
Architect firm.
Okay.
That's who my prospects are.
Perfect. Now, you can even make some assumptions with the architect firm, but let's just say you said, hey, just out of curiosity, where are you guys at right now in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be? An architectural firm, because I know enough to be dangerous, they're probably 70% of the time, they're going to tell you where, a $3 million company want to be at 5. They're an interesting bunch, though. I don't know if Jake's on here. He's one of them. They also see themselves as artists, and anytime somebody sees themselves as an artist, they get a little prickly with money, even though money moves everything. And they'll say, oh, that's not the most important thing to us, which you go, what is the most important thing, right? Getting the jobs done right. You want to get to projects. How many projects are you doing per year right now? How many do you want to be doing? Whatever. What I'm doing is putting goalposts on it. Then when they say, I don't have any projects right, did he say I don't have a need for, what was his exact words or her exact words when she?
Well, we actually did talk about one project, but it didn't quite work out. It wasn't the right time, so we want to help with other projects, because that's the nice thing about architects. They will continually bring projects to us once we have that relationship. So it didn't work out. We discussed one project with her. It didn't work out. So we said, okay, well, what's a good next step? And she said, well, I'll keep you in mind for the future, which I feel is a brush off.
Don't worry about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an NOS, a net outcome statement. And however much you talk to her before you could load the net outcome statement, or you could give a general one if you didn't know a lot about her. It might sound like this. No problem. Yeah, sounds great. Hey, I will be here when you want to be absolutely positively sure that the lighting component of these projects is done right, ahead of schedule, and ideally, under budget and ahead of schedule, so that when that client looks at all the work, right, you're not having something like lighting stand in the way of, them seeing the hard work you guys are doing. Fair enough? Right? And I didn't do anything pushy there. She's like, okay. And then literally I just planted a bomb, because she's going to walk out of there and be like, you know what? He's got a point there. Okay, because I don't know a lot about lighting, and I don't know a lot about architecture, but I know enough to be dangerous, and that is this. They can work their butts off and put something together, and if that house is not lit properly, it's not going to look good, or it's only going to look good 12 of the 24 hours a day. You want these people to come home and go, wow. You can't really say all that in a net outcome statement, but what you can say is, totally get it. Hey, I will be here when you need to make absolutely positively sure that all of your hard work is framed in the right light. Customers are loving it, whether it's daytime, nighttime, and you guys are getting all the wins and referrals on what an awesome job you guys are doing. Fair enough? And it's like, okay. And now what you've done, you've given them a net outcome statement. You didn't say, I'll be here when you need a lighting designer, or I'll be here when you need a lighting company. You didn't talk about what you sold. You talked about the outcome. You'll be here when they need to make sure that the project, and this is where you might want to play around with the words, right? There's some bad puns in there, is in the best scene, in the best light. I don't know if you want to use that pun, but you know what I mean? And so that, right, the clients really can, pay attention to the work that you've done. They're happy with the work that you've done, and they're recommending more business your way. Fair enough? right? And that's where now you've left it in a really high standard, and you can now come back 2 weeks later, a month later with a new insight. Hey, I was thinking about you, Monica, and there's a little secret that the top designers are sharing with each other that nobody's talking about. And she calls you, oh, well, what is it? Now she's going to trust you a little bit more. Here's what it is a lot of times on the architecture, whether it's a remodel or a scrape, what the top architects have realized is oftentimes the landscaping, that entire project gets uncoupled from the architect, okay? Here's what nobody's talking about. It's oftentimes something where you could either do it in partnership or on your own. That is additional resources to you in terms of design, but then also you don't have other people out there that don't have your vision in mind that are doing the landscaping and all of that. How are you guys dealing with that at XPG? Right? Man, it's an issue because we have some people that come and bust our stuff up. When you say bust your stuff up, can you give me a specific example? Yeah. You know, and sometimes it's even the homeowner. They'll put stuff up and it doesn't look right and it has nothing to do with the aesthetic, especially if it's a water feature, right? Let them go if they're drifting off of lighting, right? You know, because of the fact that you'd said, here's what I'd like to do. What I'd like to do is be a resource for you, whether you use me or not. And a lot of times just in having a third party talk to that homeowner and reassure that homeowner that you are in the driver's seat, you know what you're doing. I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to let them know that it's a good idea, whether you end up using me or they do it on their own, that they run these decisions by you because you're doing. Now all of a sudden, like, yeah, I really like this guy. He understands. It's my design. The decision should go through me, and I'm just riffing and pulling this stuff out of my butt. But that's the Easton way of selling, right? Is not trying to force it. We're not upsetting them. We're leaving it at the outcome and then opening the door for you to keep coming back. You're only going to need to come back 2 or 3 times before they're going to start going, you know what? You have our best interest in mind. Let's look at you for a project.
Super helpful.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.